Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I am so excited because it's my favorite kind of video, one I don't do very often, but today we're going to be doing a shop with me for the Sephora sale. And I really like doing these, just going through the app and like looking at what's already in my cart, deciding if I'm going to purchase it or not, looking through what's new, best sellers, what's grabbing my attention, and we can just talk about all of it. And I don't know, I just feel like it's fun to shop together in the comfort of my own home. I don't know that I could be the person vlogging in the middle of Sephora, but I also don't have a full-size Sephora near me. The only one is in a Kohl's and it is tiny and everything is always out of stock. So it's just, it's sad slash probably also a good thing that I don't have a super big full Sephora near me. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead, shop together. It's April, it's my birthday month, so things might be harder to take out of the cart. I don't know. I wanted to go ahead and just wait and do this on the day that the sale started for me because I am VIB, not Rouge. So I believe I'm going to save 15% off on my order, and it started today. So I'm gonna go through it. I'm gonna make my purchase. You guys can let me know if there's anything that I missed that I should have added to my cart. Let me know if you're purchasing anything, if you're skipping. I would love to have all the tea from you. So let's just go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so we've got the home page of the Sephora app pulled up and I am excited. As you can see, I have 5 things in my cart right now. So we can just go ahead and start there. I have a Tower 28 set and I was kind of debating on getting this, but I think that I'm probably not going to, just because I've been more into like straight up pink blushes versus matte blushes recently. And the Tower 28 blushes are good, but they're not like my favorite cream blush formula. So I'm not like dying to own that. So I'm gonna remove. I actually need to sneeze. Of course, as soon as I'm doing a screen recording and I'm trying to have everything at the same exact time to make editing easier, I have to sneeze. So next we have the Huda Beauty Matte Obsessions eyeshadow palette, which this is the cold matte obsessions, or no, sorry, cool matte obsessions. They're cold. They actually come refrigerated. That's the worst joke. I was kind of interested in this. I just thought that the tones were pretty, but I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. We'll leave it in the cart for now, but there's like something that's holding me back from it a little bit. And then I also have the Glossier Stretch Concealer for Dewy Buildable Coverage. I don't know what it is about this. I think it's just that I haven't tried many things from Glossier. I saw it on there and I was just like, I don't know, a dewy concealer just always kind of gets to me, the word dewy. And then we have 2 different things here from Kosas. So they have a baked bronzer that's supposed to be glowy and the shade looks beautiful. That's like already 100% a yes, definitely getting it. And then they also came out with a Glow IV Vitamin Infused Skin Illuminating Enhancer. I think it's like a tinted moisturizer or something like that, but again, a definite yes. I love their foundation, really love their concealer. I love their matte bronzer. I haven't tried their setting powder because I'm not like that big into setting powders, but overall, I feel like I've really liked everything from Kosas. Actually, I think I have a video, it might be like 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago now at this point, but it's a full face review of everything Kosas, so I can make sure to link that in the info cards in case you guys are curious. But yes, that is where we're at. So I'm gonna leave the cart like that for now, and once we add more stuff in, we might be able to shrink it down. So I'm just gonna start off with home, and we can look at these recommended. Okay, so there's the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blushes. I really wanted the pink shade, this one, Happy Dewy Cool Pink. That was definitely in my cart and it went out of stock. And I'm very sad because that was like at the top of my list. And I mean, none of the other colors here are really calling to me. I just really, really wanted Happy. So that is sad. Oh, I didn't even realize that House Labs was on Sephora now. There's the new Pistachio Gelato perfume, which I've heard a lot of people talking about. I didn't realize it was that expensive, but I don't know. Like in my head, just the thought of a pistachio perfume sounds disgusting. I don't like pistachios like that. Like I like them like when they're nuts, but like when they're used for anything else, no. I don't know that any of this is calling to me, but it is reminding me of something just from seeing Sol de Janeiro. I really want to grab their lip balm. It's my favorite. I've went through multiples and I've been in need of buying a new one. I've actually went to Sephora near me, and I looked for it to purchase. My boyfriend was gonna get it for me for Valentine's Day because he knows how much I love it. He went, it was out of stock. So let's see, hopefully it's in stock here. Okay, let's see, yes. All right. It's my favorite. It's $18 for a chapstick, which I know is kind of ridiculous, but it is so good. I'm almost tempted to get two. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna add two just to think about it for now, because I may as well get it on sale. And like I said, it's one that I actually genuinely go through all the time. I think I've finished 3 now, and my boyfriend really loves it too. So maybe I'll get one and like keep one with me, tell him to put one in his car for my use, whatever I need, kind of thing. So obsessed. And I feel like I heard rumors that Sol de Janeiro is now like an MLM or something, which I'm not about, but I need that chapstick in my life. I really, really do. Let's look at this. Patrick Ta blush. Ooh, there's a pink one. That one's so cute. I feel like I was looking for this in store and I didn't see it. I saw some other shades, but I didn't see this one. It looks so nice. And the reviews are really good. 5 stars. Add to basket. Okay. I know. How many pink blushes does one girl need? I don't know. I don't know why any of that other stuff is selling fast. It's not appealing to me. Let's go start through categories. So let's go through everything new. See if there's anything interesting. Honestly, I think I'm just going to change it to makeup because I'm not really in the market for any skincare right now. And I feel like this is more of like a fun for my channel kind of order more than anything. Things to like try. See. Oh, they've got the Pat McGrath bronzer, which I don't know which one's the lightest shade. I think it's this one, but it's sold out. I did say that I wanted to purchase this when it went on sale. Technically, this would count for the sale, but my shade is sold out, so that's gonna be a no. I feel like this palette is just, I don't know, maybe it's controversial to say this, but if you just saw this picture by itself, I feel like it looks like it would be from e.l.f. This little Milk makeup bag is cute. I wonder if they have like a little cheek blush thingy that's pink. I feel like I've seen Paulina Beauty use that, but the product might be a little bit older. I feel like she's had it for a long time. Like she talked about panning it, so I don't know if they still have it, but we'll look for that in just a second, as long as I don't forget. Let's see, Tom Ford. This Natasha Denona Love palette I actually did see in stock at my Sephora, but I don't know. It's cute. I like the packaging, but I wasn't convinced that I needed it. Oh, Dominique Cosmetics is back on Sephora. That's a surprise. I did not know that. This palette is not appealing to me, even though I've been super into neutrals. I don't know, I think it's just got too many like warm, orangey, bronzy tones, and that's just not my personal cup of tea right now. This Lawless palette's kind of cute. It's a little lavender moment. Ooh, the swatches are pretty. And it's only $27. I haven't tried, actually, you know what? I tried lipstick from Lawless and I did not like it. I thought it was really bad. That's the only thing I've tried from them. Okay, so what did I say we're gonna look up? I think a Milk Makeup blush or something. Okay, is there's this one? Is this the one I'm thinking of? Let's see. They look really similar in these swatches. I don't know, I'm thinking it's probably this one. It said, oh no, it says it's a mauve with shimmer. True Red. Ooh, that's cute. I'm kind of into that. Maybe. Okay, so that's everything that's new. Let's see. Ooh, we can look in the Rewards Bazaar, which actually I need to add in my birthday gift, which you could technically get more points. There's a little Nest birthday gift, which I feel like I've heard that they're like really bougie and fancy. It looks like a little candle. So that's enticing. There's Glow Recipe, which I don't like. I don't like them very much. I just feel like there's too many smells in their products and my skin reacts to it really bad. And then there's an Ilia birthday gift and Pharmacy. I think I'm gonna go with Nest. It feels right. Ooh, I was kind of tempted to purchase this. I feel like I've heard really good things. has SPF 40 in it. They have an extra light shade. I don't know. It's so hard to decide whether to trust a brand when they categorize something like that as extra light, very light. It's like, I don't know if I should go with very light and not extra light, even though that's how I would describe myself, because sometimes you'll get something and it's like super fair, but then it's actually not. Let's see. Yeah, I feel like extra light ST 0.5 Sky with neutral undertone looks like it would work for me. But it's kind of expensive. I'm not 100% sure whether I want to get that or not, just because I have a lot of foundations that work really well for me and none of them cost that much. It's a little cream blush. It's kind of cute. Of course, the shade that I like is sold out. That is cute. Shade Stockholm. It reminds me of One Direction, Stockholm Syndrome. I've also kind of been interested in this by Makeup by Mario. I looked for it in my local Sephora and everything was sold out, and like some of the samples that you're able to swatch were gone too. I watched the video and it does look like he's using it as a bronzer, but the description is kind of confusing. We'll add to basket. We'll think about it, but I'm not 100% sure. We've got Rihanna's blushes. Oh, this one's kind of cute. This one right here, Crush on Cupid. Let's look at this swatch. Ooh, I like it. Actually, I haven't tried any of these. We'll think about it. Got a Huda Beauty cheek tint. Ooh, Proud Pink is cute. And so is Perky Peach. Those are adorable. This is so bad. I definitely am gonna need to chill out. Oh, they have the Milk Cream blush lights on sale. Okay, these are my favorite. I already own every single one, but if you're looking for something to buy from the sale, 100% recommend this. I mean, $17, and then if you get 15% or 10% off on top of that. Oh, this is kind of cute. It says Pinker Times Ahead. It's a pinky blushy shade. What does the packaging look like? That's kind of cute. Okay, I feel like that feels like more than enough things to go through. Oh gosh, okay. Just a casual, almost $400. So I think after looking through everything, I am gonna remove the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I don't know, I'm just not like obsessed. I think it looks cute. Oh, I don't know, it looks really nice. Okay, I'm gonna remove it. I'm probably gonna get rid of the Ilia skin tint just because I already have the Kosas one and the Ilia one's more expensive. Okay, it just got hard. Part of me is like, okay, like let's get this down to where it's kind of like a full face. Like we can do a testing my Sephora sale video together and like try everything out. So we've got a concealer, we've got a bronzer, we've got a skin enhancer, and then we've got blush, bronzer. I feel like between the two, I'm gonna go for the Kosas. And then we have this like blushy highlighter, so I'm gonna consider that its own category. So I feel like between these three right here, the Milk Makeup, the Fenty Beauty, the Huda Beauty, I need to like calm it down a little bit. I'm kind of leaning towards the sticks a little bit more just because I like that like ease of application. Let me just look at the reviews real quick. Nice color, pretty dewy finish, but it doesn't last long. Love how easy and simple it is to use. Blends super nice. Color payoff is inexistent. Lasting power is none. Perfume is horrendous. Okay. The cap broke. Actually, I feel like I've heard a lot of people talk about the cap breaking. Okay. Maybe I will remove that one. Let's see. Let's look through the Huda Beauty reviews. Okay. New favorite blush. Balance of dewy and shiny. Love this product. Love. So pretty, but doesn't last very long. So pigmented. It's stunning. You don't see any glitter on the skin, but it is a beautiful iridescence. Okay, beautiful iridescence, I'm sold. The Patrick Ta is a must. It feels bougie to buy both lip butters, but also feels right. I just feel like I'm missing something because I want to do a full face of testing my Sephora sale, but we don't have anything for the eyes. And of course there's a National Glam palette, which I've always been tempted by and never purchased. This is a good order, a good solid order. Things I've wanted to try, things I've wanted for a long time, things I didn't even know that I wanted. I kind of just had a very stressful moment because I thought that my screen recording wasn't recording that entire time, but it was. So thankfully this video can still happen, but that is my order. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, feel free to have a conversation with me down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.